456, runway 9, cleared for takeoff.
6.
Runway 4 right, cleared for takeoff.
4 right.
10-08, contact departure.
Departure, good day, United 1008.
Contact departure.
Have a good one. Boston departure, good morning. Delta 456 is leaving 1,600, climbing via the Blizzard 6. Delta 456, Boston departure, good morning. Radar contact, climb maintain 14,000. I've maintained 14,000, Delta 456. JetBlue 1097, contact Boston Center 13342, good day.
3342, good day. JetBlue 1097.
JetBlue 2173, contact departure on 120.6, good day. 120.6, good day, JetBlue 2173. United 1008, contact departure 11825, good day.
1825, United 10-0, good day.
Boston American 7011 for 3,000. American 701, Boston departure, good morning, radar contact. Good rate through 5,000. 8,000, good rate.